So now we will see ternary operator in JavaScript. So guys, basically ternary operator in JavaScript is used in order to check for certain condition that is similar to the if else conditional statement that we had seen previously. So guys, basically this ternary operator can be an alternative for the if else conditional statement that we had seen previously. So you can use this with the help of this particular syntax. As you can see, first of all we have to provide certain expression over here. So basically the result of this expression will be either true or false. Just like in the if condition we provide certain expression, similarly we have to provide the expression in the ternary operator as well. So guys, basically after this expression we have to provide the question mark and then followed by the lines of code that needs to be executed when the expression is true. So guys, as you can see, this is the block in which case you will execute if the expression is true over here. So if this expression is true, these lines of code will be executed, or else basically we have the colon over here, after which we have another set of lines of code, in which case when the expression is false, then these lines of code will be executed on the right hand side. So guys, basically we have two special characters over here. First of all we have the question mark after the expression, and then we have the colon over here, which is provided after the line of code that is executed when the expression is true. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples in VS Code over here. So basically what we will do is, let us say we define a variable with the help of the let keyword over here, and let's say we provide the variable name as age. So let's say your age is 21 years old. So what we will do is, we will check whether the age is greater than or equal to 18 years, and then only the person will be allowed to vote. So guys, basically we will have another variable over here, and we will name this variable as a result, and then we provide equal to operator, and then guys we will use the ternary operator in order to check whether the person based on the age will be allowed to vote or not. So we will provide the expression. In this case we will say age is greater than or equal to 18. So basically this is the expression that we have provided, after which we can provide the question mark over here, and then if this particular expression is true, let us provide this expression within the parenthesis so that it looks more decent over here and the code is more readable. So guys, if this expression is true, we have to provide the string that is eligible to vote. So simply inside the quotes over here we will say eligible to vote. So as you can see, this is the string that we are providing to the result variable, and if this expression is not true, then we have to provide the colon over here, after which we can simply provide not eligible to vote. So basically we have another string over here that is not eligible to vote in this case. So guys, as you can see, this is the expression which will either return true or false, and then based on the result of this expression, if it is true, then this particular string will be returned to the result variable, and if it is false, then not eligible to vote string will be returned to the result. And then guys, simply we can provide the console.log statement, inside which we can simply print the result over here. So guys, let me just save this file now, and since the age is 21 right now, it is greater than 18 over here. So let us see what will be the output. So simply we will type node command over here, followed by the name of the JavaScript file on the terminal. So as you can see, eligible to vote is getting printed over here. That's because age greater than or equal to 18 is returning us the true value. Now guys, let us provide another age. So let's say the age that we provide is 16 over here. So in this case, this particular expression is not true. So let us see what will be the output on the terminal. When we save this file now and try running this code once again over here, as you can see, it says not eligible to vote. So in this way we can easily use the ternary operator instead of the if else conditional statements that we have seen previously. Now guys, you can also provide more ternary operators inside these lines of code that you have provided. So let's say we want to put a condition, if the age is greater than 18, then the person is eligible to vote, but we also want to put another condition, if the age is greater than or equal to 25, then the person is also eligible to drink. So guys, what we have to do over here is, simply I'm going to remove this part that is eligible to vote, and then again we will put another condition over here. So let us say we provide age is greater than or equal to 25. So first of all, if age is greater than or equal to 18, if this particular statement is true, then the control flow will come over here and then it will again check whether age is greater than or equal to 25. So guys, over here we will have another set of statements. So after this we need to provide question mark over here. So we will provide certain statement over here if this particular condition is true, and if not, then we will provide colon, and then again we will have another statement over here. In order to make this conditional statement more clear, we will have parenthesis at the start and at the end. So as you can see, we have two conditional statements in this case. First of all, age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, then this entire conditional statement will be executed, and if not, then this particular statement will be returned. So guys, over here, if age is greater than or equal to 25, we will say eligible to vote and drink. So guys, basically we have this particular statement, and for the false statement we will say eligible to vote but not to drink. So as you can see, I have divided this conditional statement into multiple lines over here. So first of all, we have this particular expression. If this is true, then this line of code will be executed. If it is false, which means we have provided a colon over here, then this particular string will be returned to the result variable over here. And inside the true statement over here, we are having another conditional statement. If the age is greater than or equal to 25, then it is going to return eligible to vote and drink, and if not, then eligible to vote but not to drink in this case. So let me just save this file now. Currently the age is 16, so let us see what will be the output. As you can see, not eligible to vote is getting printed over here. Now guys, let us say we provide the age as 22. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. As you can see, eligible to vote but not to drink is getting printed. That's because even though age is greater than or equal to 18, but this particular statement, that is age is greater than or equal to 25, is false over here, and that is why this particular statement is getting returned and stored in the result variable. Now guys, let us provide another age, that is 25 over here, in which case this age greater than or equal to 25 will be true. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here. As you can see, eligible to vote and drink is getting printed over here. That's because this particular string is getting returned and stored in the result variable. So guys, in this way you can use more ternary operators within a single ternary operator over here, just like how we have the if else conditional statements, inside which we can have the else if conditions as well. So guys, what will be the output if the age is equal to 24 over here? Comment in the comment section below. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about functions in JavaScript. So stay tuned.